biomolecule and four major molecules. It is carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, and proteins. What is biomolecules? Biomolecules are organic compounds produced by living organisms essential for growth, energy, repair, and genetic information. The four major classes are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. This paper summarizes their structure, function, and real-life importance, suitable for class reporting. All living matter is made mostly of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Biomolecules from cells, tissues, and organs. Without them, life processes like energy release, movement, and reproduction cannot happen. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential macronutrients made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Their primary role is to act as the body's main source of fuel. Digestive systems break them down into glucose, blood sugar, which is then used by cells and organs for energy or stored in the liver and muscles. Examples of carbohydrates: 1. Monosaccharides, simple sugar single unit. The smallest building blocks. Glucose, main energy source for cells, found in fruits, honey and blood. Fructose, fruit sugar, sweetest natural sugar found in fruits and vegetables. Galactose, found in milk and dairy products. 2. Disaccharides, two sugar units linked, form when two monosaccharides join. Sucrose, table sugar made of glucose. Fructose, found in sugarine sugar beets. Lactose, milk sugar made of glucose. Galactose, found in milk, cheese, yogurt. Maltose, malt sugar made of two glucose units, found in germinating grains and beer. 3. Polysaccharides, long chains and complex carbs, large molecules used for storage or structure. Energy storage types. Starch, main storage form in plants, found in rice, bread, pasta, potatoes, corn, wheat. Glycogen, storage form in animals, humans, stored in the liver and muscles for later use. Structural types. Cellulose, makes plant cell walls strong, found in vegetables, leaves, wood, cotton. We cannot digest it, it's fiber. Chitin, forms hard outer covering, found in shells of crabs, shrimp, insect and cell walls of sponge. What is lipids? Lipids are a group of organic biomolecules that do not dissolve in water. They are hydrophobic. They are made mostly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and serve as long-term energy storage and structural materials for living things. Examples of lipids: fats, butter, lard, meat, fat; oils, coconut oil, olive oil, corn oil, vegetable oil; wax, beeswax, airwax, coating on leaves, fruits; steroids, cholesterol, hormones, vitamin D; others, fish oil, lecithin in egg yolk. What is nucleic acid? Nucleic acids are long-chain-like biomolecules that store and carry genetic information in all living things. They control how your body grows, functions, and passes straight from parents to children. Example of nucleic acid. There are only two main types. 1. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, found inside the nucleus of cells. Examples: the genetic material in every cell of your body. Determines your eyes color, height, and blood type. 2. RNA, ribonucleic acid, found in the nucleus and cytoplasm. Example: messenger RNA, transferrin RNA, ribosomal RNA. What is proteins? Proteins are large, complex biomolecules made of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. They contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Unique among the four biomolecules, they act as the building block and workers of the body, needed for growth, repair, and every chemical reaction in cell. Example of proteins: food sources: meat, chicken, fish, eggs; milk, cheese, yogurt, beans, lentils, soy, nuts. Biological examples: hemoglobin, carrier oxygen in blood; enzymes, amylase, pepsin help digest food; collagen, keratin make skin, hair, nails, bone strong; antibodies fight infection and germs. All biomolecules are equally important. They perform different roles but work as a team to maintain life. Understanding them helps us know how our bodies work and why proper nutrition is necessary for good health.